Hello there, back on the beach. I'm out with the Deus 2. I've got the 11-inch coil, but I am carrying the 9-inch as well. As advertised, I am on Eastbourne. You can see the pier in the background. And the Tonka trucks, I don't know if it's going to glare out, but the Tonka trucks and the diggers and everything are behind me. And down towards the pier, there's a load of Tonka trucks that are actually, they're underneath here, or they're on the other side, so they'll be back in about half an hour. I've got permission to come down here in the sense of, normally when Tonka trucks are around, you can't get on the beach. But they've actually said to me, as long as I'm not on their roadway, I'm okay. And they actually dug this one out yesterday. And if I spin you around, they dug that one as well, taking the shingle down. So these are the two bays I'm going to concentrate on. And then hopefully when the plough has moved, I can go into that one. Enjoy and see it on the first hole, no matter what it is. Thanks for joining me. The old police are here. I think there's someone's gone in the water. There's a mention of any clothing's found to report it. So I presume someone's either come off of a boat or gone in the water. There you go. Alright, first signal is a 62. Doesn't sound very good, to be fair, now I'm here. Sounds a bit croaky, a bit rough. That's out. First hole, ring pull. It looks like we got our first coin. So there's the hole. It was a 71, but now I've scraped it, etc. It looks like a 20 pence piece, and it is. So we got 20 pence. Off and running on the coins, and that's in the compact shingle sand, whatever you want to call it. So it's really compacted. So that's another good area to look for on the beaches. So like along there, it's all compacted down. So again, it's another area to look. Part that I like looking for, and that is all the way along here. So that's like a cut, even though that's been man-made by the ploughs and that. But that's the type of thing that I would be looking for as like a cut. So all this sanded area, so that's all what's been left behind, where everything's been taken away or has been pushed up. So I'd definitely be looking around all these areas here. So that's just another indication of where stuff may be, older stuff rather than new stuff. But I would say that this was all done by the Caterpillar. They've probably pushed it all up, so they've actually cleared that. So it'd be worthwhile looking at. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, between the two seagulls in the distance, there is another detectorist just stood there, having a good old look around. Maybe that's why I'm not finding anything, because they've already scooped it up. Ah, that was a surprise. 76. We've got a bullet. Probably a 303, or bullet casing I should say, sorry about that. I would say it's a 303. I can't see a date on it. But yeah, bullet casing. Happy days. Just found a bit of a chain. Don't know whether it's from the neck or for a bracelet. I can't see if there's any hallmarks on it. But I will have a look when I get back to the hotel room. But yeah, so out of there, there's a 61. Feels a bit light, so possibly nothing apart from maybe aluminium. Right, I'm going to put you on. There's the hole. I think I may have just found a ring. I may be wrong. Yeah, found a ring. Not too sure whether it's going to be silver or not. Certainly looks it. But yeah, just got myself a ring. Happy days. But yeah, certainly looks silver. I'll have a look when I get back to the room. But there you go. One ring. Oh, I was just going over to the other side of the wall, and I got a 2p. 2p? Yeah, 2 pence. Not that way. Oh, there you go. It's quite a high number. It's a 94. That could be another. Could be another coin. But I'd expect it's going to be something else. A bit of aluminium. Oh no, it is another 2p. Yeah, another 2 pence. Literally, I'm about 1.5 foot away from the last one, so. Alright, it's out. Oh, I can see it. It's just there. Yeah, another 2p. And we just got another 2p. Yeah, another 2 pence. It's just where the caterpillars moved all the shingle from near the pier. So another 2 pence piece. Yeah, another coin. Another 2 pence. That's why I like following the Tonka toys along the beach. Yeah, there you go, another coin there. And that's all within probably 10 feet of each other. 2 pence. Oh, there it is there. What is that? Oh, it's a £2 coin. I've got to move out of the way. The trucks are coming. It's just there. It was a 61. That's a coin. Size of that is, I would say, an old 5 pence piece. Could be a 10 pence. Oh no, it's a 10 pence. It looked like an old 5 pence as well. So there you go. So I'm doing quite well with the coins at the moment. There's a 10p. Just got a 69 out of that hole. Looks like 50p. Yep, 50 pence. There you go. Paddington. Numbers have just went all over the place, and they were a 69 to 70. They've just jumped. So, that's why. This is a vape. Had to happen. Yeah, there it is. Another 2 pence. £2 galore. It's got another coin. I think it's another 2p. This one come up as an 88. Yeah, another 2 pence. Right, 64 out of that hole. Possibly a 10p. I would normally think that they would come up with 66 or somewhere around there. But And I'm going to say that that is a 10p piece. Yeah, 10p. It's out. It is out. Another coin. What's that one? I think that's a pre-decimal. You are still on. Yeah, I think that's a token. I might be wrong. If it's anything else, obviously you're going to get a photograph. Don't know. Can't work out what that says. It's got wording on the other side as well. But you'll see it once it's been cleaned. Yeah, there it is. Another 2p. Oh, I'm not too sure what this is. It's a goldy colour. I don't think it is gold. Possibly a foreign coin. I'm not too sure. It's got a shield on the back. I don't want to rub it too much. It's a goldy colour. But I do believe that it's a foreign coin. It's got some form of a shield on the back. There's someone looking that way. I'm going to go with a foreign coin. Once I've cleaned it up, you'll see the photograph. Oh, we've got 68. Microphone's not working at the moment. It's low on power, and I didn't bring out the other one. It should be 50p. Numbers like that, and it is. There you go, 50p. No, there's something else there. There's definitely something else there. It is a 2p. I thought it was much. And there you go. Another 2p. Oh, it's got an 88. It looks like another token of some sort. Looks like a 2p piece. But it's a token. got some writing on there. So what I'll do is I'll clean it up, and you'll see what it really is. It certainly looks like a token. No cash value, so yeah, it'd be a token. I'm a bit confused what that big one was then. There you go. I'll shield you from the wind. It's got a wheel, probably a key ring originally. It says New York on it. There you go. Probably a key ring. I'm not too sure. So we're on 88. I got £1. £1. Another 20p. Basically on the surface, to be fair, there's only a scrape. There you go. Alright, I hope you can see me. It's 4:45 and I've killed my Deus 2 controller. It's the first time it has ever stopped in the whole time I've ever used it. It was fully charged, so I'm a bit confused, and I've literally only been out 6.5, nearly 7 hours, and it died. So totally confused. As for fines, 1 ring, chuffed to bits. Not too sure if it's silver yet, and loads and loads of coins. Thanks to the Tonka trucks where they've been going back and forth, and the Caterpillar where it's putting its plough on and moving all the shingle from the actual beach itself up onto a platform. So I've been going along that for the last 4.5, 5 hours, and I can't moan. I have got quite a bit of trash as well, but that's expected. But yeah, what can I say? A brilliant day. The wind held off, which I was really chuffed for, and the rain was only first thing this morning at about 9 o'clock. So by the time I come out, no rain at all. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. I will reduce it down, obviously, because of the amount of stuff that I found. I'll reduce it down to probably 20 items. But yeah, what can I say? Brilliant. I'd love to get out again tomorrow, but the forecast is absolutely pouring down with rain. So maybe not. But thank you very much for joining me. Thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you haven't already. And see you at the next dig. Where that's going to be, I haven't got a clue. Thank you very much. Bye. I don't know if you can see the birds doing their formation.